Hello and welcome to the Rainbow Pinwheels. Let's make a cute fridge magnet today using air dry clay. I'm using Fevicryl molded. You can use any air dry clay that is easily available to you, or you can buy the materials used from the links given in the description. I'm using a plastic sheet so the clay doesn't stick to the surface. Fevicryl molded has a resin base and a hardener. Let's unwrap it and mix it together. Before using the clay, make sure to add some talcum powder to the surface so the clay doesn't stick. Let's roll out the clay. I am using a pen for that. Now, keeping in mind that it's a fridge magnet, we will roll the base accordingly. It should neither be too thin nor too thick. Let's cut the base shape. You can just follow the steps. Once the base is ready, we will use the remaining clay to add the details. Creating your own clay fridge magnet can make such a great handmade gift. It's such a cute and lovely gifting option, and everyone loves cute handmade gifts, and this one will surely leave a smile on you and your loved ones too. I have also created other clay gifting tutorials which you can check out by visiting to my channel or by clicking the I button above. Also, if you are new to my channel and like my work, then please do consider subscribing. I have uploaded more than 300 tutorials about drawing, painting, craft, DIYs, digital painting, lettering, clay work and so much more related to art for both kids and adults. So please do subscribe and set the notifications button to all so you don't miss on any of my videos. Now, coming back to the video, I am adding as much detail to the fridge magnet as possible. Adding texture to the door, roof, windows will liven up the fridge magnet. Always pay attention to the detailing, even if it's a simple clay work, and also you can do this with the simplest tools like toothpick, pen, etc. There's no need of any fancy tools. It's so much fun and it's an affordable project to get stuck into. Typically, air dry clay takes around 24 to 48 hours to completely dry, but it can vary based on thickness of the clay and the brand as well. Mold it hardens within 90 minutes, but I like to keep it for 8 to 10 hours to dry. After the clay work is done, let's begin to paint, starting with applying the base coat. I use white gesso. If you don't have gesso, feel free to apply white acrylic paint instead as the base layer. Do apply the base layer on both front and back. After the base coat dries, which will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes, let's begin to paint using acrylic colors. You can paint the fridge magnet according to your choice of colors. Try experimenting with different shades and a different color scheme. Try enhancing the textures using colors. Let your creativity flow. If you would like to keep your fridge magnet sweet and simple, stick to a neutral color palette. If you want it pop, use bolder colors. Once the paint dries completely, let's apply varnish to seal the colors. I am applying a quick dry gloss varnish. This will give a nice shine to the magnet. You can apply 1 or 2 coats of varnish accordingly. Now, the last step, which will actually make it a fridge magnet, is obviously to stick a magnet. I am sticking a round magnet to the back of the clay using E6000 glue. You can find the link of this glue and all the other materials used in the description. Always use a strong glue. If you don't have a round magnet, you can also use a magnet sheet. Ensure the magnet is securely attached and let the glue dry completely before handling again. Once the glue dries, it's now time for the fridge magnet to meet the refrigerator. Isn't this looking cute? Let me know in the comments what you think about this fridge magnet, and please do subscribe the Rainbow Pinwheels for more. Thank you and bye bye.